Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the controller and removing any batteries or unplugging the cable. This prevents shorts and accidental input. Next, use a tri-wing or small Phillips to remove visible screws. Remember where each screw came from and place them on a mat. Once the shell is open, separate clips gently with a spudger so you don't break tabs. You'll expose the switch area quickly. Make sure you have tweezers ready to lift small springs or connectors that will be needed in the next steps. You now inspect the switch assembly closely to identify looseness causes, worn plastic, loose solder joints, or missing clips. If you see a cold solder joint, reflow it carefully with a low-wattage iron and a touch of flux. This restores mechanical and electrical connection. For stripped plastic posts, add a tiny 0.5 mm shim or a controlled dab of hot glue to restore snugness. Press parts together until set. Once secured, cycle the switch mechanically to confirm and reassemble the controller by aligning contact membranes and seating all internal pieces in reverse order. Do this slowly so nothing shifts. You should tighten screws evenly and stop with fingertip torque. Over-tightening causes new stress points. Once closed, reinstall batteries or reconnect the cable and run a full input test, pressing the repaired switch repeatedly to ensure consistency. If you still see odd behavior, recalibrate via the console or software and, if necessary, revisit the solder joint. Intermittent issues often.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.